splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? He looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me. Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no, no, what a day! Play spray chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up past, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, come back, please. Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, 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 don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around in scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Paper plate us Kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep let's stay fun everywhere. Oh no, try Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Play. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. Resolution. help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, laughing and dancing, making lots of fuss. Kitty is driving, throw the down today, but silly skeletons bank behave. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, wiggling bones and making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, no more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Four cute skeletons riding on the bus, singing loud and causing fuss. One slipped down and broke the horn. Kitty called the ghost and the ghost then warned, stop the jumping on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, shaking bones and making fuss. One fell down and broke the seat. Kitty called the mommy down the street. No more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, dancing fast and making fuss. One spun round and broke the wheel. Kitty laughed, let's fix it tonight. Slow down, spooky bus today. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. One cute skeleton's riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons, don't come back. All cute skeletons riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Riding the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons stomp their feet. Kitty drives and laughs with glee. Spooky glowing soft and bright, but the gate goes creak open slow. Kitty whispers, "Is someone there?" Wind rip dressed when Patsy wet. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton popped. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, "Hey, slow down!" But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, "That's kinda cool." Coach just laughs, "Welcome to school." Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, "I'm your friend." Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Killing, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, "What a school I've been." Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Ding ding bell, school is near. But something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker away. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, "You look so funny." Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all.